What is up, everybody? Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So in my previous video about summer fashion, I had recommended wearing oversized button-ups and that you can easily find them at the thrift. So today we're going to be putting that advice to the test. I'm going to be driving around to a few thrift stores in my area and looking if we can really get some looks for cheap. All right, so back from the thrift. It's been a few days since I went shopping, but I was able to find two t-shirts that we're going to be cropping today. I wasn't able to find any like large oversized fitting button-ups, but I did learn something. I have this LL Bean flannel that I bought a while ago, and it also does fit very big on me. And what I realized is that for the kind of Japanese city boy look, what they typically wear are more formal oversized shirts. I think the reason why it works is because it has that mix of casual and formal, and that contrast of style is really appealing to the eye. So something like this, where it's a flannel, so definitely more on the casual, mixed with the oversized, which is also casual, it's not really fitting into that style. Not to say that it looks bad, it's just not what I was talking about. So we have these two t-shirts that we're going to be cutting some of the length off the bottom. The first one is this light blue short sleeve one. It kind of has a slight herringbone pattern, if you can see that. I really like the color of it. The only problem is the length. So it's about a 30-inch back measurement, and we're going to be going for something from like a 27 and a half. The second one is a kind of wool button up, also very nice, probably a little more on the dressy side. I think the front length of it is actually pretty nice. The problem is the back. So the back kind of goes down a little farther than the front, so definitely want to cut that to better fit my body. In total, spent about $13 on both shirts, so even if things go wrong, not too much of a loss, but we'll see how it goes. All right, so here's my quick tutorial on how to crop a shirt. First, you're gonna need something to cut the shirt with. I'm using a rotary tool just because I find it's a lot easier, but you can use scissors if you need. You'll also need measuring tape, a straight edge that you're gonna be cutting along, and something to put the shirt on top of while you're cutting. Very important that you remember to have something underneath the shirt because, especially with the rotary tool, you will be cutting through the shirt and onto the surface that's right below it. So first things first, I'm going to be taking the measuring tape and measuring exactly how far down I want to make the cut. In my case, I usually go for around a 27-inch. From there, I'm going to take the straight edge that I have and line it along the markers, and then take the rotary tool and begin cutting along that surface as best I can, trying to make the cut as clean as possible. After the initial cut, I'm just going to realign the straight edge to go over the rest of the shirt, clean up any parts that I missed, and then boom, you have a cropped shirt. And this is the before and after for the black shirt. Overall, really happy with how this one turned out. I really like how the shirt now sits at my waist and you can see the back pockets of my jeans. Can't wait to wear this one on a date night or just on a more formal occasion. But yeah, for $10, definitely couldn't be happier. The blue shirt I also think looks better. It's just less dramatic of a change. I like that where I cut kind of left a frayed edge, giving it more of an edgy look. I'm going to go ahead and cut the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.